மாதிரி highlighting NCERT highlights and important points. இது வந்து நான் ஒரு பெரிய கிஃப்ட்டே நான் கொடுக்க போகிறேன்னு சொல்லலாம். இந்த கிஃப்ட் வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து தெரியாது, இந்த யூடியூப் சேனல் கொடுக்க போகிறேன். அது என்னன்னா ஃப்ரீ கிஃப்டிங் போகிறேன் மீக்கோசம். Here itself I am going to reveal the free gift for you. The free gift is from our channel. What I am going to do is I am going to give a free gift for class 11th full and full 11th first starting. What I am going to do for physics 11th full and full NCERT. I am going to mark the important lines. Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about an important thing. That is, I was keep on saying the one thing that is before video, that is I am going to give a free gift, right? So that is the thing, because actually if you see, I want to say one thing is, normally I used to put the video around 2-3 days after continuously by taking interval of 2-3 days. Next video will be coming. Like that I will take a gap of around 2 days or 3 days mostly. Like that I used to put a video. But now if you see, I have taken a little bit around 1 week or 5 days, 6 days. After that only I am putting a video. The reason is, I think many of them know it, because I have entered into a medical college. So many things are there to say. That is due to the books, which is very vast. And one more thing is, I have joined my medical college. This year batch, most of them have joined the medical college a little bit very late, right? So that is the thing. To adapt for it, it takes a little bit time. So finally, one more thing also, if you see, I was a little bit far from my medical. Does not mean that I am from another state. I'm not coming from one state to one state. It means that I want to travel from my home to the college for around 1 hour 30 minutes or 1 hour 15 minutes, like that. And again I should come to home like that. So around, for in my home I was almost around in the night 2 to 4 hours only I am going to spend in the home, and after that I will sleep for 5 hours or 6 hours. After that again I am going to repeat the same cycle. So that is the reason, some of the reason that I can't able to spend more time on this. So definitely, but I will not leave this. Don't think in wrong way that I will not put any videos and all. So the main topic in this video that I'm going to say is ST star free gift, right? So if you see the last starting introduction itself, I have said that many of them are requesting for that HT star free gift. I think I saw many times I am saying this. I'm going to give a free gift in the different languages in physics, like in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi also, but I didn't include Hindi. In English, many times I have said I'm going to free gift like that. So I'm putting my effort to complete it. So what I finally concluded is, finally have made that free gift for physics part 1 class 11th physics. I have completed by underlining it. So I am going to upload you on what they are going to know now. So let us see how the PDF looks and what day I am going to upload you. Let us see. Hey guys, so finally let us see. I said, right, I am going to say about what is the special thing I am going to give as a free gift. Another may have known it already, but for those who don't know in which date I am going to give a free gift, let us see from our YouTube channel. Let us start from our YouTube channel. We are going to give a free gift. That is just, I will help you a lot, because this is the most weak subject which I thought before, but afterwards I make my favorite subject, because I have improved a lot in the Neet journey. So the thing which made me to help, that is the thing I am going to share you. So I want everybody to score more in physics. That is the reason I am doing this, because if most of them will be making strong in numericals, everything they will used to do, but they used to lag in some statement based question or association based. They ask, definitely they used to leave because work. So what I have done is I have underlined the important lines for association based or statement based question. So let us see. Another thing I am going to give you a free gift. So let us start. On what day I am going to give you is on the base of Christmas and New Year is going to come, right? In the Christmas day, I am going to give you as a free gift. I will upload soon the Telegram group in this PDF. So definitely you are going to enjoy. Everything will be there. You can see detailedly. I will say give you a guarantee also that whatever the questions I have said, nothing can go behind. I'm not saying the numericals part. Numericals, if you want to solve NCERT based questions, I have already marked that also in the PDF of part 1 class 1 physics. I have completely marked this physics part 2 PDF also. I try to give you as gift. If you feel that
After seeing this PDF, I want to PDF of physics class 11th also. If you felt, what I will say is, just comment me in the comment section, like HT star free gift again. Definitely try to upload in the next upcoming festivals, like Pongal also is to come, right? In the time also I'll try to upload. So in trying to comment me in the comment section. So on Christmas, I'm going to give you a free gift. Let us see. Let us see. So if you see, I already said I'm going to reduce your work by marking every important lines from class 11 physics part 1 book of physics. So it is going to be very useful for you. One more thing I want to add is, I'm just like saying that I'm marking the questions, everything I'm giving you, but actually you want to feel it, right? What is actually present in this PDF? I'm going to show you a sample for by taking a first initial chapter. So by that you can definitely got an idea that how I mark the important lines. That is the thing I want to show you. Let us start. For part 1, let us take the first chapter, that is first chapter is units and measurement, right? Let us see that. See, normally if you see units and measurement, just for example, I'm taking the unit and measurement chapter. If you see, everything I underline in green pen, okay? Because green is a positive sign, right? Whenever if you go in traffic also, if you see a green light, it allows us the way to go. Same thing, next year you should not sit in the same place like you are sitting now. Next year you should go as it is straightly to the medical college, what are according to your wish. That's the reason I'm marking in green pen, the small reason that I want to say you. So, thing you want to see. If I say here, I have marked some lines. Some of the only important lines I have marked, that is, you can see here like this. And finally, the things which you should know it, that is the thing I have marked. And see, right? What are things you should know? I will not say everything you should read. These are useless things. Just you should know the names like this. I have said, right, I have just marked the important things which are necessary for the MCQs. Finally, you may thought that just I marked for statement-wise question and association. No, I also included some questions like which are given in NCERT, right? Some solved examples will be there, right, in physics. That questions also have included some questions. What are the questions are related to NEET? They may ask you. That questions I have marked. If I say here, there are around C. These points are very important. Don't want to read this. Same way, I said don't want to read this point. I ignored it because it is not very useful for you. I just marked the only thing which is very important. I'm repeatedly saying because you should know the difference, because I have not just marked same as it is. What are the points which I know? Just take that I didn't mark, which are very related to NEET. Have marked it. Like finally, if you see, there also have marked very important lines. Here also you can see the important questions that came. This question you should see because already this type of question we asked already in NEET. So this type of question also you can see the important lines are marked. See one more thing, especially here I have also included PYQs. I have included assessment based questions, statements questions. From that line you can get it. And finally, some important questions which you should solve in the NCERT. They have given already in solved exam, right? That are the questions which I felt they may ask in NEET. That type of question also I have marked. For fourth thing is, that is PYQ related questions. PYQ which I already asked in last year before also have marked here PYQs. That is the question which is very important. So PYQs also are marked here from this chapter. This also you can see there is a PYQs like this type of question they are asked from this paragraph. See PYQs. See sometimes which I felt that like something which is not very relevant, but we can see once. Like the type of thing, like that also I have marked some lines like if I want to say about this question, it's not very important. Just for understanding the content, you can see once. That is the reason I have done it. So if you want, you can see once. That is the thing. After it, PYQs here also, because sometimes what happens according to me is, sometimes I have marked the PYQs in the PDF itself, if you see in all chapters, but sometimes what I have done is, I forgot to put PYQ. Just like that, I may have ticked, otherwise I have put some small n sign. But also I may have left it, but what are the lines which I have marked, that is very important. That includes PYQs, NEET solved examples, important NEET solved examples, and finally the assessment based question or statement based question, everything are covered. Next you can see that if you take about summary, whenever you try to leave summary, right, because it's not very useful. The reason is summary also is very important because some of the MCQs, if you see in the last year PYQs, they have asked from summary also directly. So this is a thing very important. Every time if you read summary, it will be keep on boring. every lines you can't able to read, right? In NCERT, in inside also, in summary also. So what I've done is, in summary also, I have taken only the very important point. That is like this. From this they may ask certain question or assistant lesson based. Like only whichever I take, that is the only thing you should see. Nothing other than that you should don't want to see. Nothing you should read from this. Only thing which I have marked, if you read it, it's enough, more than enough. So another thing, have completed this chapter. So like this, every chapter I have marked you. Definitely you will enjoy it by seeing it. So finally, I'm completed the whatever I want to say. I have said already. One thing which I want to say very importantly is, will challenge you in one thing, that is, if you still now you are not believing that whether it is important, whether everything which I marked is really good to study in NEET, other than that nothing you want to study. If you have a mindset like that, I will not believe this, like that type of mindset, if you have, I will say one thing is very clearly, if you want, take the PYQs in the last years and see the last 3-4 years PYQs you can take and see the question which is asked in assistant lesson based or statement based question. That will be definitely, you can see here, every question which I have marked as important line, they may have asked indirectly as MCQs or assistant lesson based question or statement based, anything, it could be in any format, but they have asked it. In future if they want to ask also, that is the thing I have marked it, nothing other than that extra. So I'm challenging you, if you want you can check my lines, it's a very important or not, by seeing the last year PYQs analysis, you can see it. I have challenged you, right? So more than that I can't say anything. So if you want, definitely you can go to my Telegram and use this, it's going to help you a lot. So finally I have revealed my HTSR free gift for only physics part 1 PDF. For if you want that part 2 PDF of class 11th, if you felt this part 1 PDF of class 11th, this is helpful, so comment me in the comment section, that is HTSR free gift. Definitely I will upload in the upcoming days by completing the after completing the markings of class 11th part 2. Definitely I will try to upload as soon as possible in the upcoming festival like Pongal also, but only if you comment in the comment section. So I want your love, so definitely I think you will support me. Thank you for watching. So all the best, keep rocking, tata, bye.
5-star general, who you know comparable.